How to download all your Instagram posts at once in 2026. It's a very simple step. So first of all, open up your Instagram account, tap on Instagram. Now simply head to your profile. Now tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner, or it's also called the hamburger menu. Tap here. Now simply tap on the account center. Now scroll down a bit and here you'll find your media gallery. Tap on that. And from here you can select all the posts that you have posted ever from either Facebook, Instagram or Threads. You can always select the platform, and after that just tap on the post that you want to download and select on all of them and just tap on download and they will be downloaded instantly. So that's it guys. In this way you can simultaneously download all of your posts at once instead of manual download. Thank you for watching this video.